myself. Let me go do my nails. Oh, my chopstick. Okay. Yeah, on some random ish. I have some extra wax cubes, scented wax cubes. I've had them for a while, and the other day I had a candle I was burning that I feel like I felt like the money fat, and it burned on one side, and it was like kind of wonky, and it had too much wax in it left. So I'm like, I'm gonna have to do something with this. And I just melted and make it another candle. And I remembered my wax melt, so I'm like, I'm gonna make several candles. So now I'm here in Hobby Lobby getting some unscented wax or whatever, so I can make 1, 2, 3, 4 more candles. Actually, it will be more than that because they have some wax melts I want to order off Amazon that are already in my wish list to get. So that's why I'm in Hobby Lobby looking at shit. And for that, nope. I'll come back when I find the candles. So these are the candles that I made just on a random why not. These two are mine, and these two I'm giving to a co-worker that just moved as a housewarming gift. Some homemade DIY candles.